morning everyone, welcome to ABCI. Today we are going to study about nematology. Before going to study what is nematology, we should know who is the father of nematology. So the father of nematology is N.K. Cobb, who is Northern Augustus Cobb, and the nematodes is derived from Greek word nema and oides. Nema means thread and oides means resembling or form, which means nematode means thread-like forms, which is we also call as eelworms or threadworms. Nematodes are also called as eelworms or threadworms. There are two types of nematodes: animal parasitic nematodes and plant parasitic nematodes. So, animal parasitic nematodes, these are very quite large and these are visible to the naked eye. But coming to the plant parasitic nematodes, these are small and they are not easily visible to the naked eye. Here, the longest animal parasitic nematode is Placentonema gigantissima, which is around 8 meters in size. This is the longest animal parasitic nematode. And the shortest animal parasitic nematode is Graphiella minor, which is 82 micrometer. Coming to the plant parasitic nematode, this is the longest plant parasitic nematode, that is Paralongidurus epimixis, which is 12 mm in length, and the shortest plant parasitic nematode is Paratylecus species, which is 0.3 mm. So the range of animal plant parasitic the range of animal parasitic nematode is from 8 meter to 82 micrometer, and the range of plant parasitic nematode is from 0.3 mm to 12 mm. We can see varieties of symmetry in the nematodes. Here first one is bilateral symmetry. If the nematode is divided in sagittal plane, so now we will discuss about what are the types of symmetry. We can see 4 types of symmetry in the nematode body. First one is bilateral symmetry. If we cut the nematode body into sagittal plane, then the body wall will be seen in the bilateral symmetry. And then the hexaradial symmetry we can found in the lip region, lip area. 6 lips are there in the nematode, and the triradial symmetry we can found in the lumen region, which is kind of this type. And the tetraradial symmetry we can found in the hypodermal cords. There are 4 hypodermal cords in the nematode body, which is divided in, first one is dorsal side, second is ventral side, and the third one is lateral side. In dorsal side 1, in ventral side 1, in lateral side 2. So total 4 hypodermal cords are seen. Coming to the characteristics of nematodes, first of all we will discuss about the body shape, which is vermiform. You can see the vermiform picture, and which is tubular in nature. These males are generally vermiform in nature, you can say, and the females are somewhat swollen, saccate. In some nematodes they are lemon shaped, and in some nematodes they are reniform shaped. Here, the tubular males, they are divided into 2 parts, that is outer tube and inner tube. The outer tube forms the body wall and the inner tube forms the alimentary canal. And the space between this outer tube and the inner tube is the body cavity, which is also called as pseudocoelom. Here, this outer tube and inner tube, 2 tubes which join anteriorly to form the lip region, and it joins in the posterior to form rectum region. The different shapes, the similarity between the shape of the male and females is also called as sexual dimorphism. Coming to their another characteristics, they are appendageless and they are colorless, no color is there, and the body wall is transparent, which means we can see clearly. And most important is the respiratory and circulatory system of this nematode is absent. And the next is reproductive, excretory and nervous system. These systems are located in this region, pseudocoelom, and the pseudocoelom is here, the mesodermal lining is absent. These are some of the nematodes and they are associated with some of the diseases. They are causing the some of the diseases. First one is Tarantulus semipenetrans, which is called as citrus nematode, and it causes slow decline of citrus. And another one is spreading decline of citrus. This causes the nematode, that is the Rhadophilus citrophilus, which is also called as burrowing nematode. Another one is Rhadophilus civilis, which causes the spreading decline of banana, which is very important part. And another one causes yellow disease of black pepper, which is also caused by Rhadophilus civilis. And next is Bursa Aphelincus gyrophilus. It causes the pine wilt disease in the pine plants. And next is Radina Aphelincus xylophilus. It causes the red tree disease of coconut plants. And next is Aphelincoides species, which is very important, and it causes white tip disease in rice and Meltite disease in rice. And the next is rice. It causes the root cause, that is the Melodyne graminicola, and dry rot of potato tuber causes by Ditalenchus destructor. And the peach tree plant disease is caused by Ditalenchus penetrans. Then Kalahasti disease of groundnut is very important one, and the nematode associated is the Tylenchorhynchus brevilineatus. Next, the disease is blot disease in onion and tulip disease of oat plants caused by Ditalenchus dipsaceae. And the next one is spring crimp of strawberry, which is caused by Aphelincoides frageri only. It is only responsible for spring crimp of strawberry, and with the help of Aphelincoides frageri and Clavibacter fascians, this is the bacteria. Their association, with the help of their association, they causes the cauliflower disease of strawberry. And next is the Anguilla triticale, which is most important nematode, and it causes the ear cockle disease of wheat. And in association with Clavibacter triticale, this is also the bacteria. With the association of Clavibacter triticale, it causes the Tundu disease of wheat, which is also a very important association of the nematodes. The next is Heterodera evanes, which is the cyst nematode. It causes the Mollier disease in the wheat plants. Next comes to the morphology part of the nematode. First one is the body wall. Body wall is divided into 3 layers. First one is cuticle, second is hypodermis, which is also called as epidermis, and the third one is muscle layer. The first cuticle, which is the non-cellular and non-living layer, which is very important, and it acts as an exoskeleton. The cuticle has some cuticular markings. Here you can see some are smooth, some are striated, and some are annulated. These are the smooth striations, and this raised area between two striae are called interstrial region. Next comes to the hypodermis, which is composed of the single layer of the cells, and the hypodermis, which is thickened to form 4 hypodermal cords, which I already mentioned earlier, from dorsal, ventral and lateral side. And the main function of this hypodermis is it secretes the cuticle layer, which is the first layer. And the third one is muscle layer, which is divided into 2 muscles. First one is specialized muscles, and the first one is somatic muscles, and the second is specialized muscles. In somatic muscles, the shape of the cells are spindle-shaped cells, and which are attached to this hypodermis layer. And the function is locomotion of the nematode, which is responsible for the somatic muscles, and it also acts as reservoir of the stored food materials. Next, the specialized muscles, which are only attached to the specific organs like the stylet and the spicules. The muscle layers have 2 distinct zones. First one is contractile portion, and this next one is non-contractile portion. In contractile portion, myofibrils are there, and in non-contractile portion, nucleus and cytoplasm is there. Next, on the base of shape of the cells and contractile elements, these are divided into three types. First one is platymelon. Here you can see the contractile. These are the contractile elements. These contractile elements are attached to the base of the cells. That's why it is called as platymelon cells. The next is coelomyelin cells, which are attached to the sides of the cells. Okay. The next one is sarcomyelin, and the contractile elements are totally present in the circumference of the cells. Then meromyelin cells. Meromyelin cells, when the muscle cells are 2 to 5 in number, it is called meromyelin cells, and the muscle cells, when it is present more than 5, it is called as polymyelin cells. Here you can see the platymelon cells are always meromyelin cells, which is very important, and the coelomyelin cells, which are polymyelin, which means more than 5 cells are present, and here 2 to 5 muscle cells are present. Thank you. So at last we will discuss some of the multiple choice questions, and here are some of the questions. First one is, which type nematode is not found in India? And the options are Tylocorhynchus brassicae, Tylocorhynchus vulgaris, Tylocorhynchus claytoni, and the last one is Merlinus brevilliensis. And the answer of this question is option D, Merlinus brevidens, which is not available and not found in India also. And the next question is, yearly yellowing of pea in Europe is caused by which nematode? And the options are Rutylacus buxophilus, Rutylacus robustus, Helicotylacus digestera, and the fourth one is Helicotylacus multisectans. And the answer for this question will be Rutylacus buxophilus, which causes the yearly yellowing of pea disease. In Europe, it is found in the Europe. And the third one is, which crop, these are the 4 crops, which crop is the registered crop for the reniform nematode? The options are garlic, onion, ginger, turmeric. And the answer for this question will be ginger. Fourth question is, which species of Melodogyne exhibit highest cold tolerance? Some of the species like Melodogyne hapla, this is the Melodogyne arenaria, and the third one is Melodogyne chitudi, and the fourth one is Melodogyne incognita, which is the very most important nematode, and it is the root knot nematode. And the answer for this question will be Melodogyne chitudi, which is exhibit highest cold tolerance among all the Melodogyne species. Last question is, which is the major host crop for Rhadophilus citrophilus? First option is banana, citrus, both A and B, and then coffee. The answer for this question, please give in the comment section, and thank you for the cooperation. Thank you.